I see you. You can't run from me. What are you doing? Where's your bone? Where's your bone? Get your bone. Where's your bone go? Did you hide your bone?
That's why I shut your door.
You hid your bone. I'm gonna get your bone. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna get your bone.
Where's your bone? What'd you do with your bone?
Did you hide it? I know where you hid it. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna get the bone. Where'd it go? I don't know where you little bugger hid it. Oh, look what I found. Found the bone. What's this? What's this? What's this that I got? Whoa! You didn't do a very good job of hiding it, did you? Behind your bed.
And in the towel?
Towel. Yeah, I found it. Let's try again. Hide it again.
He got mad at me when I took it.
Where did you take it? What do you mean you took
I
it?
took it from him. I put it in my pocket.
What are you doing? You gonna hide it? You gonna hide your bone? Where are you gonna take it? You can put it in a blanket? Would you like to bury it? He's looking for a spot to put it.
Go back in there, because that's the only spot he's got, because I'm in here and your bedroom's shut. Of course, he could go in your blanket now. And your chair.
Oh, it's going in the computer room. Oh, look, I found you. You don't like being on camera when you're trying to hide your bone, do you? Let's see where he goes. I know he's gonna go. Let's see where he went. There we got him. What are you doing?
What are you doing? You hiding it, Paul?
Why don't you like it? It has peanut butter in it.
See? He's hiding it. I told you he'd come to your blanket. Pedro! Pedro! Hey! Give me that bone.
It's like he's trying to bury it.
Yeah. Pedro, what are you doing?
You done with the bone? Yep. There you go. Guess you're done. You're done with it? Oh, what's Mom doing? What's Mama doing? Oh, he says, Mom, I just worked really hard to bury that. Oh, he's gonna check. Yep. He knows it's gone. Look at him. Look at him, look.
Get your bone.
For you, he's the secret ingredient. You make dinner together
He smells it.
and follow him for the
Yes,
latest.
I got it.
When you're this passionate about cooking, the only place to be is Time Warner Cable. Enjoy everything you love even better. Call 1-855-739-6852 for internet packages starting as low as $19.99 a month. Then have movie time without downtime and game time without lag time. Because for you, waiting just isn't user friendly. With the best internet around, you can do whatever you want. Screen, so everyone at home can be online at the same time without
You
interruptions.
put it back in there. You don't want it. There. Now it's all buried. Hold on.
Starting as low as $19.99 a month. Whatever you're passionate about, we invent better ways for you to share it, get
Hold on.
and love it even more. This is
Get me out of the
America's
way.
Sport with Judge Ross.
Look how pissed he gets. Why you get mad? It's buried, Pedro. It's gone.
$1,025 for wallpaper stripping services he says he rendered but was never paid for.
King Bahar just went to Grace Kabui for $25. Apparently you rendered some services that you weren't compensated.
She had me do most of the job.
Let's
And
talk about the job. The job.
I was supposed to go in there and do all 4 walls for the bathroom.
You can't figure the pocket out.
Were you painting? What were you doing?
No, we're stripping the wallpaper off the walls.
So you were going to strip the wallpaper.
Yes.
Previously wallpaper on those walls
Yes, there was wallpaper on the wall.
throughout the house.
Actually, more
Oh,
than
look at him get that little stinker. Why, you're such a little bugger.
Understanding
You'll probably go back up in your blanket again.
There he goes. Oh, he's going to Mom's room. Maybe we'll let him hide it. Oh, yep, nope. Alright, well, we'll let you hide the dog bone, okay?